In this screencast, we're going to be talking about some of the basics of Google Drive. Right here is my homepage, my personal Google Drive, and as you can see, I have 4 different folders, but the folder we're going to focus on here is Year 1, Semester 2, since that is the folder we are in. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this folder and go to Tech and Ed, because that's the class we are in, and then I'm going to go ahead and upload a Google Doc, and then I'm going to name it Google Drive Converting Tutorial. Alright, so we're going to be covering 3 basic ways to convert a document. The first and most simplistic way is to convert it to a PDF. Now, why would you want to use this? You would want to use this because I personally own a Mac, but some of my professors might own a Dell computer and they have different word processing systems, so it makes your file more universal and your teacher is able to open it. How you're going to do that is you're going to first click on File, then you're going to go to Print. You're not going to print a document, but you are going to save it as a PDF. And if that option right here doesn't say Save as PDF, you're going to go ahead and click on Change, and then click on Save as PDF, and then save it under the name you would like to save it as, and then obviously you would send it to your teacher. And then something else that you can do is you can actually publish your document as a link in certain places. I'm actually going to want to publish this, which is my script to my screencast, and I'm going to want to put it on my website for my students to be able to see. So I am going to hit File, and then I'm going to hit Publish to the Web, and you're not going to want to hit Link, but you're going to want to hit Embed, and that is the code for the document, and you're going to want to go ahead and hit Command-C or Control-C in order to copy the embed code, depending on what type of computer you have. And then I would go ahead and upload it on this page in my Wix account for parents or students to be able to see how different ways to operate Google Drive. But since we're working on Google Drive, we're going to go back and look at Google Drive and not Wix. Another way to convert files is, let's say you have a Word document that you want to put in Google Drive. So I'm going to show you how to do that right here. And I'm going to go ahead and go to my home page, and then I'm going to hit New, and then I'm going to hit File Upload. And that is going to take me to the files I have saved on my computer. And I actually want to convert a file from my moral theology class for Dr. Sherman. And I'm going to go ahead and find that. It's going to be right down here. And this is the file that I want to convert. So I'm going to go ahead and just click on it. And then Google Drive will put it on Google Drive for you. But we're not all the way done yet. You have to click on the file and then click Open with Google Docs. And then that makes your file editable. It will take a few moments to load. Now it's all loaded, and you can edit the text if you want to, or highlight it, or however you want to use it. And you got to make sure you go ahead and move the Google Doc by dragging and putting it in the correct folder so you keep everything organized. I hope this presentation gave you a better understanding of how to convert files in Google Docs in order to make them accessible in whatever type of media you want.